since 5:30, getting ready and finishing my packing. Outfit of the day is this. I honestly don't remember where this dress is from. I think it's Faithful, the brand, from Revolve, and the shoes are Converse. I just like wearing Converse when I travel, and I'm probably gonna take them off while I'm in the car, but I don't like walking into like gas stations with sandals. It's kind of gross. So sneakers. Filled up my water, and I'm gonna go grab the rest of my stuff. Ring light so that I can film the rest of my stuff in here. Guys, good morning. The sun's kind of in our back. It's not the best. We are in the Starbucks line, and what are you getting?
I'm not sure yet.
Me neither. I don't know if I want something cold. I'm not typically cold in the morning person. I might get a cappuccino, honestly. Ow. Driving me crazy. They keep getting stuck in my hair. Working on uploading all my big movie files off my phone so that I can film some content on there as well, because it's filled up. It actually filled up once I finished my makeup of the day that I filmed today. Right, so we just made a stop at Georgia. We are heading out from the stop, getting back on the interstate, and yeah, driving through Georgia right now. I was gonna film, but honestly I was a little stressed, so yeah, my phone storage is a very stressful thing for me because I have to film a lot. We are in South Carolina. Just crossed Georgia, now we're in South Carolina. So we just had lunch. We stopped at a gas station, and I'm trying these Celsius drinks for the first time. I know everybody talks about these, but this one's the one in kiwi guava, and it's delicious. They're pretty yummy. Hi guys, it's so much later in the day. I'm actually getting ready to go out for dinner. We are staying at a friend's house that lives in South Carolina. He's got a really nice house that he recently bought. This is actually the closet into one of the upstairs bedrooms, which is the guest room. It's got this really cool window and everything. So this is my outfit. I just freshened up my makeup a little. Was looking a little rustic, and now it's looking 10 times better. I added my little ear stud because I wanted to look a little more fancy, put some rings on, and a cute little bracelet. And this is my outfit. I'm still wearing the same dress and my little Converse sneakers. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. We are up and ready to head out. We're actually going to go for breakfast with our friend. We are getting ready to go out for breakfast, and then we're heading out. I did my makeup already. Been having so many issues with my phone. Like last night, it was not allowing me to do a lot of things, and it was very frustrating. So I still have a lot of work that I need to do today, and hopefully I can get that accomplished in the car. Beautiful day here. Hopefully the road is good to us. Hi guys, we've been on the road for about an hour and a half, you said, right? And yeah, it's a hot, sunny day. I really have to use the restroom. We're waiting for a rest stop. I think there's maybe one coming up. Guys, we stopped by Starbucks to get a little caffeine. And also we grabbed some sandwiches because we're a little hungry. So, time to eat. We are in Virginia. right? Still in Virginia, so we still have like 4 hours to drive, and honestly, there's a lot of traffic right now. So, hi guys, we are in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We literally just arrived. This is the Airbnb we're staying at this time. We actually chose a little bit of a different place this time. This one is more on the downtown area, and it's kind of cool. It's like the back of one of these little townhomes, and it's got a ton of, so you come in through the back. It's got a ton of light in this area. That's kind of the front. You go in through here. Hello. Seating area. And bedroom. So we're about to go get the rest of our luggage. I am honestly kind of regretting how much stuff I brought because I don't want to bring it all the way back here. But we are deciding to just order food and just relax here for the rest of the day since our drive was so long. We were stuck in traffic for such a long time. So yeah. Hi guys. I did a quick little makeup update, changed out of my clothes and into something that hasn't been sitting with me in the car all day. Put my jewelry on and my earrings, this cute little necklace, and I put on this dress that I like to wear with a belt, a rag and bone heels. This dress is also old from Revolve. The purse is Marc Jacobs. And we're going out to eat. Forward to it. We're gonna get burgers tonight. So we just finished our dinner, had a pretty nice and healthy conversation, and now we're gonna walk back. It is so gorgeous out here. So we just realized that you can actually sit outside right over there, and it has a really nice little fountain area and everything. So next time we come, we're gonna sit out here because it's fantastic and the weather is perfect, literally perfect.